channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing another room tour. I know I always do that for you guys. Anytime I go to a new hotel, I love sharing this experience with you guys, just so you guys can see what it's like to see different options in different hotels. So this one is a newer hotel in downtown Chicago. It's actually located in Navy Pier. It's right off the lake. And this hotel is called the Sable Hotel. And this suite that we have is the corner suite. So it is a 1-bedroom. So we're going to start off with the kitchen. They actually have a kitchen. Make sure you get the kitchen area because that's the most important part. Come maybe here so you can see the whole entire kitchen is absolutely stunning. I mean, look how big this kitchen is. Like, I am so small compared to this kitchen. It has a beautiful countertop and is extremely white and nice, and you can even do some cooking, but this place does not have a stove, unfortunately. It has all of this countertop but no stove, but that's okay, it's still beautiful. It also has, you can come a little bit closer, that way you can see it has a nice sink here. I feel like this is all for decoration because it has a sink, but it has nowhere to cook at all. There's no dishes here. So yeah, but it does have a microwave. Microwave is here, right here, as you can see. And then nothing's here. It's a lot of storage space, and it also has stainless steel storage, more storage. It's like, this is all just really, I feel like, just for show. It's a lot of storage, but nothing is in these cabinets at all. Really? Nothing. I feel like there's nothing in here because of COVID. I feel like if COVID wasn't going on, then it would be more things in here. But look at the details. They do have some beautiful flowers here, even though they're artificial. Okay, so let's move on to the living room. The living room is my best part because you can see the view of the lake. Like, look at this. Like, do you see this? Oh my God, it's beautiful. And I'm sure at nighttime, once all the lights are on.
The lights is reflecting.
Yeah, right? You can see the reflective, like, look at that. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to turn the lights off.
Yeah, you can turn the light off.
We can turn the lights off. Let's turn the lights off so you guys can see the whole view here. Where's the lights?
Light is right here.
Okay.
Now you can turn that one off, see? Okay, yes, now.
Close it.
Oh, perfect.
Perfect, right?
But it's dark, actually. Nobody can see your face, actually.
Really? So you can see everything in the
You're probably going to do that in the morning or in the
How does it
afternoon
show?
before
Oh,
you
I'm
check
going
in.
to show it in the morning too. Oh yeah. Go from here to here. Like here. And then do a 360. Like that. That's beautiful. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's beautiful at night. Very, very beautiful. Okay, let's turn the lights back on so we can get back to the video. And I want to show you guys the actual couch in the living room. Really, really nice. Right? Okay, let's move on over to the couch. Look at the couch area. You know, I always do this. I love comfortable couches. This one is very, very comfortable. You can just like relax. And the material feels really, really soft, right? I just love like the different patterns that they use and also the greenery that they use as well. And they have a nice little couch here, a little seat. Oh, it spins. It's a spinning couch. What? Okay, I'm busy now. I'm busy. But this is beautiful though, right? Do I look like I have a lot of money?
Yeah.
Do I look like a rich girl?
Girl, you look like you're balling. Look like you're
It looks
balling.
like I have $1 million in my bank account?
Yes, you do.
Or $1 trillion in my bank account?
No, you don't have $1 trillion, but you have $1 million.
What? Not $1 trillion?
Not $1 trillion.
Oh, come on, baby. You so
You know what? You know what? If you bring benzo Bill Gates, Warren Buffett.
Warren Buffett.
Yeah,
and,
they're not even up to trillion.
Jay-Z.
They're not even up to trillion.
Jay-Z, Oprah Winfrey.
There's a lot of black people there. They're even richer than Jay-Z,
Let's
actually.
add some Africans too. You know, some rich Africans.
Dangote.
Yes.
Dangote, one of the richest African
I looked
guys.
up the other day. What's his name?
It's a lot of them.
It's a lot of rich people. But if we bring them all to the table,
they're not up to $1 trillion.
Over past $1 trillion. Okay. We'll get there. We'll get there. You speak it into existence, it will happen. Manifestation.
We'll pass Amazon someday.
Exactly.
Maybe we own the water and the air. So whoever travel in the water, you're gonna give us some.
They have to
tariffs.
pay us.
If you run your airline on the air, you're gonna pay us. So you're gonna be a tax collector.
Okay?
Yeah, we own the water. Not only this water, the entire water in the planet.
The entire water in the world. We're gonna own it. The water and the air. If they're breathing it in, we're gonna get paid for it. Okay.
Everybody's gonna pay us $1 a day. And how many million people in the world?
It's a lot.
So now if you're getting that, you know how much you're gonna
make? No, it's over 1 trillion people in the world.
No, it's not up to 1 trillion people, baby. Come on now. No.
In the world?
America alone is 4 million people.
Really? No.
Chinese is up to like how many million people? Like over 500 million, over 600 million people.
Let's ask
or
them.
Billions.
Comment down below. Let me know how many people are in the world.
Maybe this is a smart one, but I tell you something.
Well, because of COVID has killed a lot.
Maybe not even COVID.
COVID has killed a lot of the population.
In the world is not up to trillion. World is not up to trillion population.
Really?
Well, the world is like, we should say that the world, people in the world should
be
be like up to like, let me say 2 billion people.
Okay.
Yeah, they're not even up to 2 billion.
Comment down below on my channel. Comment down below. Let me know how many people is in the world.
I like that. That's a nice discussion.
Am I right or is he right? You guys comment down below. Let me know who's right.
But Americans don't do geography. So I don't know your people don't do geography.
Don't say that because they'll get you in the comments.
I like them to make a comment. That'll be cool.
They'll be in the comments. They're like, Americans do a lot of geography. Just not me. Okay?
Okay.
So this is a nice little TV area here. And then they have a TV stand. It's like wooden. Is this wooden?
Yeah, it's just like a granite. Is that a granite or graphics? Like granites? Yeah.
It looks like good quality though. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
I like it.
It's a marble actually.
When I get a house, I would definitely like to get something
is that
that's
granite?
like really good quality. It looks like granite, you know?
Yeah, granite. So.
And then what else we have? Oh, we have a coffee maker. Because we love coffee. Me and baby loves coffee. So we have a nice little coffee maker. You know, I love detailing like this, like the pictures and everything like that. I love it. One thing that I also like about this that's different, look at this. They have chairs. If you notice, they have chairs everywhere. Chairs and seats and couches. They have it everywhere. It's like really, really detailed. Like if you have a lot of people here, they can just sit wherever they need to. So I thought that was cute. But anyway, so let's move on to the bedroom. But this is overall the best. This and this. Oh, look at which way should we go? This way? They give you 2 entrances. This way and this way. So which way should we go? Which way is the best way?
The right is always the best.
Which way will give you the better view of the room?
The right.
This one.
Whichever way, baby, you win. You know, you're a winner. Always win.
I think this will give a better view of the room.
No, the other one should. The other one should.
You think that one would?
Yeah, baby, I come this way.
Maybe that one would.
Yeah, because you're gonna take the view. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's true. Well, this one will be a better view because you get. That's true.
You wanna turn this light off?
Let's turn it off. Let's look at the view real quick. Okay. Let's turn it off. Let's see. Let's see how the view is looking.
No, you can leave that one.
Can you see the view though?
Yeah, actually, we're gonna turn this one off and leave that one. Turn that one on.
Let's see. Can you see it?
No, turn the other one on, baby. Because it's pointing outside.
Can we point it this one?
Yeah. Yeah, you can leave that one.
Can you see it better? The view?
Yeah.
Like it?
Yes.
Oh,
Perfect.
beautiful?
Yeah, perfect.
Is it cute? You can see it? Okay.
Yeah. Can you turn it? Can you just like, you know, if you can go through the glasses, just open the window, open the door. I mean, open the curtain.
It doesn't open anymore.
Oh yeah.
It's the most it opens.
Unless you want me to use my African hand to touch it.
There we go. You can see it now?
Yeah, it's better.
Very beautiful, right?
Yeah.
At nighttime, if you come here, you can see.
Turn it up, baby. Try to turn it off a little bit. Make it a little bit no.
That's what I was saying.
Okay,
If you come here, come stand here. You can see it's good, right?
Okay.
Look at the whole downtown of Chicago. Here, you see it?
Oh yeah.
Wow,
Oh,
look at
yeah.
that. Beautiful. It's gorgeous, right?
Oh, yeah.
Like you can see everything.
Actually, you're probably gonna see it well with the other one, like in the other view.
From the other, the living room, right?
Yes, my love.
Downtown is so beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me show you the bed and the bathroom, and then we're gonna wrap it up, okay? Let's wrap it up. Oh, it's a lot of lights. So this is the bed. You know, I always gotta jump on the bed to test it out, right? Don't I always jump on the bed? You notice in all my videos, I always jump in the bed. That one wasn't a good one because my hair is too long, so it's hard to jump. It's hard to jump on it. Oh, this one is not soft compared to the other Sofitel.
Okay, baby.
Sofitel hotel was better. This bed is kind of hard, but that's okay. It's still a beautiful bed. Did you get a view of the bed? Beautiful, beautiful. And then we have the TV and the same thing over here. Oh, it has a little desk area if you want to study real quick. Here.
You can move the bag.
You can move the bag and study. And nice little table. I noticed that everything coordinates, like everything is white. White and then brown. It's like, I like the designer.
Brown, that's white and cream.
Like, I like the designer. Whoever designed it, the interior design.
But you know, that's not a brown, that's a cream color. Cream,
color.
yeah.
Tan, cream. Okay, it's
Cream.
Whoever designed it did a good job with the interior design here. Okay. Oh, look at this. Look, what is it? Is this a table?
Yes, bedside table.
Even the side table is also the same. Then we have the hallway. The hallway. The hallway. It has a mirror. You can see. Oh, my panties was. You showing yourself or you showing me?
I'm showing you.
Okay, my love. And this
You wanna
is
see me?
the bathroom. The bathroom. Okay, so this is the bathroom. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Look at the sink and get it there. All of the detail. Look at the mirror. Look at the details of the mirror. The LED lights around the mirror. Did you get that? The LED lights? Like the whole thing. So beautiful.
Okay, now I can get it now.
Yeah. Ain't that gorgeous with the countertop here? Very, very nice. I love it. And then they have all the lotions and conditioners and stuff. Okay, let's take a look at the shower and then that's it. Oh, the shower is nice. I'm not going to turn it on though. I don't want to spray myself, but it's a nice shower head. I wish they had one that came up from the top like they always do. Yeah, they don't have, but that's okay. All right, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this lovely room tour. Please comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. I enjoyed sharing this with you guys, and I will see you guys in the next